MicroAge Peterborough-Whitby, your trusted business technology partner offering business technology expertise at your fingertips and solutions for your IT needs, big or small. We offer realistic solutions with a partner-first attitude. MicroAge has been delivering IT services and solutions for over 40 years to all major sectors like health, education, nonprofits and charity, professional, manufacturing, and government. We are one of Canada's largest IT companies and are 100% Canadian owned and operated. The MicroAge advantage is more than the solutions we offer. Our people are a huge part of the MicroAge advantage. Our location alone has over 200 years' worth of collective experience, and with the backing of MicroAge's national network, we have over 300 IT experts across the country we can leverage to support our local partners. We are dedicated to our communities and committed to building lasting partnerships. Give us a call today to find out how the MicroAge advantage will benefit your business.